Alright, this is going to be a quick video on how to get your drawing template set up. It is a little bit different than the part drawing, so I just want to talk about that really quick. Easiest thing to do is I just have a random part, so you guys will probably use one of your pinball parts. And basically you would start a new drawing and make drawing from part or assembly. And let's see. Let me try one more thing, because that's usually not what happens. Template, model 6. All right. So drawing file, hit OK, no template. I don't know where all my templates went. See, make drawing from part or assembly. There we go. All right, so I would select B size, hit OK. It's up to you whether or not you want to pull the drawing in or not. But basically, what we're going to do is you're going to right click and then go down to edit sheet format. That'll change everything to blue. All right, and let's see, under the drawn section and name, we're going to left click where the cursor shows a letter A. All right, that's going to be the property of drawn by. So I'm going to go into the left-hand side, and under text format properties, there's the second icon in is link to property. And we want to make sure that we can find that drawn by property link that is in our part file. All right, so we want to do that from the model that is found here. Under file properties, no, it's not reading that because we don't have the model yet. So I'm going to cancel out. Sorry. Right click, go back to edit sheet. Okay, and open up my view palette, refresh, and just pull one of the parts in. Hit escape. So what that will do is that'll actually bring our model in here. You can see that the material carries over from before, but the rest of the information does not. Okay, so right-click an empty space on the sheet, edit the sheet format. Now it's going to see everything. So under drawn and name, cursor changes to letter A. I see property drawn by. I'm going to try this again. Link to properties. Model that's found here. Under property name, drop down, drawn by. Okay, and then I'm going to hit click OK. And that propagates my initial information that I have from the part file. I'm going to do something similar to the date. I'm going to left click, hit that little, highlight the little box, go back to link properties. Same thing, model that's found here. Under property name, I'm going to scroll down and do last saved date. So SolidWorks or SW, last saved date. And just kind of conform to short form, and we don't need to see the time. Click OK. And that will propagate in that area there. At this point in time, you can also use the note feature. Place a box and do your full name. Left click outside and hit escape. And that will normal out your cursor. Then you're pretty much finished here. You're going to right click an empty space on the sheet, and then left click on edit sheet. And once you've done that, click on the view, delete it. It's going to ask you to confirm. You're going to say yes. Okay. So now basically you have all this information on here that will propagate when a new drawing gets created. You're going to do a save. Okay. And actually, before that, what you can do is go into your view palette, just refresh, and that'll kind of clean this up a little bit. Left click outside. Now we're going to save. And I'm going to save type as drawing template. Okay. And then I will, so as soon as I change this to the template file, it throws it into the C drive template section. So I want to make sure that I go into the correct folder, pinball project, and I'm going to call this drawing template. And save. Hit OK. Okay, so this is now saved as drawing template. And when I create a new drawing and I go to the advanced section, here's my pinball project folder. So now I have a drawing template and a part template that's saved and ready to go.